Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Escape headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Open the hood and find the two retaining pins on top of the headlight assembly. Use the screwdriver to pop them up, then pull them out. This allows the headlight unit to slide forward. With the headlight assembly pulled slightly forward, you can now reach the back of the unit. Locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully twist this connector counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. Once unlocked, gently pull the connector straight off the bulb. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves, as this could cause damage. Now take your new headlight bulb. It's crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Hold it by the base. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the corresponding slots in the headlight housing. Gently push it in, then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. You should hear a click, confirming it's secure. Turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinsert the two retaining pins, pushing them down to lock the assembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.